How to download Bully Anniversary Edition on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to download Bully Anniversary Edition on Android. So follow this step. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Method 1 is the official way. Simply, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and with the help of the search bar at top of the screen, you need to type in Bully Anniversary Edition and you need to search the game. So, once you find the game, simply you have to click on it to open the game's page. Click the purchase button. The game is paid app costing around $6.99 depending on your region. After the purchase, the game will start downloading automatically, and once the download is complete, you can launch the game from the app drawer or home screen. But if your Bully Anniversary Edition is not available on your region, or you prefer not to use the Google Play Store, simply you need to exit from this section and open any web browser on a device like Chrome. And after a while, you need to tap the search bar at top of the screen, and you need to search for a trusted APK website like APK Mirror or APK Pure in order to download the APK file for the Bully Anniversary Edition. So let's search for Bully Anniversary Edition APK Pure, and on the result section you can easily get the website of APK Pure. Simply open it on your device, and here you need to simply scroll down, and here you can easily get APK on Telegram. You simply have to download the Bully Anniversary Edition APK file along with its required OBB files. Install the APK file by opening it. You may need to enable installation from unknown sources in your phone security settings. And after a while, copy the downloaded OBB files to the correct folder on your device. Typically, it should go to the folder android/obb/com.rockstargames.bully. And once the APK and OBB files are correctly placed, you can easily launch the game. But you need to be cautious when downloading APK files from unofficial sources to avoid malware. So in this way, we can easily download Bully Anniversary on Android. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.